on every street. I've been searching for a reason